Hello everyone. So if you have something like in the form of English or any in language, okay, and if you are interested in converting from English to Hindi, maybe in Marathi, maybe in Gujarati, then in the Excel it is possible also. So here in the review, click on review and click on translate. Okay, and you all can see we have selected the those tags and everything. And suppose you want in Gujarati, okay, so we are done with that. But just copy this, come to this place, use the paste special and select Unicode text. See. And suppose now if you want in Hindi, suppose for example H, it is in alphabetical order. Yeah, Hindi. Okay. Then again select Control C and at this place paste special Unicode and like this. And same way you can go ahead for the Marathi also. Like here it is MAR. Okay. Here and again Control C and paste special Unicode and this. The simple way to translate the any language into any other language. Thank you everyone.